A solid spherical ball rolls on a table. Ratio of its rotational kinetic energy to total kinetic energy is. Normally kinetic energy formula equal to linear kinetic energy. So of mv square, linear kinetic energy formula is half mv square. Rotational kinetic energy, ke rotational, if you take half into I into omega square. So I if you take 2 by 5 of mr square, because solid spherical ball, and omega we know v by r. So if you substitute that, so we'll get 1 by 2 into 2 by 5 mr square into v by r whole square. So then you'll get, if you do it, then you'll get it. So here you can see this is r. If you solve it, here is r. Okay, this is r. Now if you do it 1 by 5 mv square, will get it. So total kinetic energy total. So that is total kinetic energy is half mv square plus 1 by 5 mv square. So then you will get it 7 by 10 mv square. Now ratio of rotational ke, ratio of ke rotational by ke total, ke total. So now if you do it 1 by 5 mv square by 7 by 10 mv square. If you do it, you will get the answer 2 by 7. So this is the answer. If you like this content, do like, share and subscribe to Student the Brand. So 2 by 7. Thank you.